Book 40, Lanterns and Firecrackers, a Chinese New Year story. Soon it will be Chinese New Year. We're cleaning our home and putting flowers everywhere because the kitchen god will visit us. We let off firecrackers to scare away any bad spirits. It's the first day, and I'm wearing new clothes to say goodbye to all of the sad things from last year. My brother and I are given an envelope with money inside. The envelopes are red, a color of luck. Today, our family and friends bring food and drink. We sit down and enjoy a great feast. We watch the amazing lion and dragon dances. On the last day of the festival, we hang up lanterns outside and wish for good luck in our special New Year. What is Chinese New Year about? Each year, on the first new moon of the lunar calendar, Chinese people start to celebrate New Year, also called Spring Festival. It is a joyful festival that starts with the new moon and ends on the full moon 15 days later. In all homes, this is a time for family reunion. Good wishes are inscribed on slips of red paper and silk scrolls, and are posted up on walls and doors. Flowers, oranges, and candied fruit make colorful decorations, while fireworks and crackers are let off to frighten away evil spirits. On New Year's Eve, a delicious banquet is prepared in honor of the family ancestors and to welcome the gods of heaven, earth, and household. This event is called Wei Lu, gathering around the stove. At the head of all household gods is Zao Wang, the kitchen god. According to the tradition, every New Year he has to report to heaven on the behavior of each family during the past year. On the night of the full moon, a great number of lanterns are hung up in houses, streets, and quarters. Made of transparent paper or thin silk, these illuminations are of varied colors and in diverse shapes, representing the phoenix, tortoises, dragons, and other creatures. Pandas are organized with dancing dragon and lion troops. These dances were originally to scare away demons, but today they have become the symbol of Chinese New Year celebrations.